Are you struggling to make money on Facebook and Instagram? You're not alone. You're posting, you're trying, but it's like shouting into the void. No clicks, no customers, just crickets. It's tough out there. You're pouring your heart into your business, only to be ignored. Every single post feels like a shot in the dark, and turning viewers into buyers seems like a puzzle or missing pieces. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Hi, I'm Alan. I've been mastering the art of Facebook ads since 2007. With hundreds of millions of dollars in advertising spent, I've unlocked the secrets to not just catching eyes, but captivating hearts and opening wallets. On this channel, I break down the complex world of Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp ads into bite-sized, easy-to-digest pieces. Whether you're a small business owner or an online entrepreneur, I'm here to guide you from frustration to celebration. Imagine your posts getting the engagement they actually deserve. Imagine turning viewers into loyal customers. With my 2 decades of experience, I'll show you how. So, if you're tired of talking to the walls and ready to make your business thrive, hit the subscribe button. Welcome to FireWireAds.com, and let's set your brand on fire together. Don't miss out on transforming your business. Subscribe now and let's get started, because here we don't just dream about success, we make it happen.